Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. So today I am not solving any specific LeetCode problem. I know you might be surprised what happened to the LeetCode Top Interview 150 series. Don't worry, that series is still running. This video is also a part of that series, but today focus is different. As the difficulty level increase, many of us face the same issue. If you only watch the solution videos, only read PPT slides, only see the approach and code, that honestly you are not interview ready. Not even 1%, because that is the memorization, not the problem solving. Your brain is not thinking, your problem solving nerves are not being used. So today I will show you how to think when you see a LeetCode problem. No PPT, no pre-written approach, no shortcut. We will solve live step by step using the LeetCode 274 H index as a reference problem. So first read the problem statement. Given an array of integer citation where the citation of I is the number of citation a researcher received for their ith paper, return the researcher H index. According to the definition of H index on the Wikipedia, the H index is defined as the maximum value of H such that the given researcher has published at least H papers that have been cited at least H times. Now, many beginners get stuck here. At a citation, what is citation? A citation simply means how many times other people reference or like that researcher paper. So the array means here length of the array means number of paper published. Like here, the length of array is 5. This researchers published 5 paper. Number of length is the array is the 3. Means this researcher published the 3 papers. And value at each index like 3, 0, 6, 1, 5. These values are how many citation that paper got, means how many people like the that paper or not. So here if you see 30615, first paper get 3 likes, means 3 citation. I am using the likes instead of citation. And second paper using get the 0 like, third paper get the 6 like, fourth paper get the 1 like, fifth get the 5 like. That's it. This is the simple definition of this. Now if you see the example here, here the citation array, the 30615, output is 3. Example 2, citation is the 131, output is 1. And let's see the on the Wikipedia, let's see some example here. If you see here, the array has the 10, 8, 5, 4, 3, and the H index is the here 4 because 4 publication is 4 citation. And again in the different array 25, 8, 5, 3 and 3, here H index is 3. If you see a pattern here, the at every index means the length of the array is 5. 5 divided by 2, 3 means 2.5. And if we use the math.ceil value in the JavaScript, means the upper value of the point, I get the 3, means 5 divided by 2, I get the 3. And if you see, notice one thing, H index is the 4 here, means nums of 3 is the 4, nums of 3 is the 3, H index is 3 here, right? And if we sort these array, means 6, 5, 3, 1, 0, and 3, 1, 1. And if we divide the array, means 5 divided by 2, and if we see the floor value of the that point, means 2.5 get the 2 value, and I get at index 2, I get the 3 as the answer, yes. At the here 3 by 2, 1, at the index 1, I get the 1 as the answer, yes. But at this point, many students try to find the middle element, use floor, ceil, means divide array length by 2. I know this guess the pattern, but this is where most people fail. These patterns work by the coincidence, not by the logic. These are the just the coincidence. So the problem here is, if you see here in the problem statement, the problem uses a letter H, this one, this H. Here H is not inside the array, H is not an index, H is a value we try. So the definition says the H index is the maximum value of the H such that at least H paper have greater than or equal to H. So if the researcher has n paper, so we try H is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 means 5 and up to the n, means maximum possible value of H is the n here. Like here I have a 30615. Let me show you 30615. For this length is the, here is the 5, means H value goes to H is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now try each H, like H is equal to 1. How many these papers get the 1 like? Means how many people give the 1 like? 4 means 3 is greater than 1. Yes. 6 is greater than 1. Yes. 5 is greater than equal to 1. Yes. 5. So I get the 4 for this. Means paper with the 1 citation, means 1 like in this array is the 4. Means 4 paper has the 1 citation, one like. So okay, now H is equal to 2. How many papers get the 2 like? This one 3, 6, 5, means 3 papers get the 2 likes. Okay, for H is equal to 3, again 3, 6, 5, and means 3 paper get the 2 likes. For H equal to 4 now, for 6 and 5, only the 2 paper get the 4 like here, means 2 is the smaller than, or means 2 is greater than equal to 4 or not? No, this is not. Here 3 is greater than equal to 2 or not? Yes, 3 is greater than equal to 2 or no, 3 or not, means the value like is the greater than equal to H or not, means 4 is greater than 1. Yes. 3 is greater than 2. Yes. 3 is greater than equal to 3. Yes. 2 is greater than equal to 4. No, 2 is not greater than equal to 4. And last one is 2 is greater than equal to 5 or not, because 2 papers get the 5 like. So this is how what I have to find, how many maximum value I get, means 3 I get here. So the largest H that work is the H is equal to 3, means for this 1, 2, 3, H value here is the 1, 2, and 3. The largest H is the 3 here. I have to give the, so H index is the 3. So here the H is number we try, not a number given. We keep increasing H until the condition fails. And why middle seal floor values tempting? Because after sorting, valid H often appears near the center. Like here, if you see in the just next to the center, the value 4, just next to the center 3, and here if you see at the center here. But remember that is just a consequence, not a rule. The definition control everything, this definition. Now let's write the brute force code. So just think like, I'm not thinking about any optimization right now. I'm just thinking about the brute force approach. Just want a solution that matches the definition. So this function takes an array called citation, and I know one thing, I need the maximum H that works. So I will store my answer in a variable let maximum H is equal to 0. And I start with 0 because H index can be 0, because no one can like. And so first try for let, means researchers has n paper, so H can go from the 1 to 1. Like here I move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the h value. I have to check for all the h values up to the n values. For that I have to just start a for loop. Let h equal to 1 till the h is smaller than equal to this citation dot length and h plus plus. Just simple. Here h is not coming from the array. I am trying h value one by one. So for each h, what do I need to check? I need to count how many papers have citation greater than or equal to h. Like here I just count for h is equal to 1. How many papers have citation greater than or equal to h? For 1 I count 3, 6, 1, 5 means 4. And for h is equal to 2 I count 3, 6, 5. For that I have to again write a for loop. And before that I just write a count variable. Let count is equal to 0. So for counting the value. Now I will scan the whole array, this citation array. For does means does this paper have at least h citation or not? Means for let j equal to 0, j is smaller than citation dot length j plus plus. If citation of j value is greater than equal to h, then I have to increase count plus plus, because here you see when h is equal to 3, we just see whether 3 is equal to 3 or not. Yes, we increase the 1. 3 is greater than means this value is greater than 6 is greater than 3 or not. Yes. 5 is greater than 3 or not. Yes. So we count the 3 here. So for that count plus plus every time. Now after that, if yes, I increase the count here. Now after that, now I have the count. Next question is this count enough for h index or not? The definition says at least h paper must have at least h citation. Means so I have to check if count is greater than h or not. Then if this condition is true, that means h is valid, so I update my answer. Maximum h is equal to h, means maximum h is this, and I do not return immediately because maybe the bigger h will also work. Like here, if you see, the 1 is the satisfy, 2 is the satisfy. I update first maximum h by this 1, then by 2, then by 3. But after that I have no hope for this 4 and 5 h value. So I keep the testing bigger value of h here and finally return the best h I found from this function, return maximum h. Let's run this code. Node 11. So I get 3 and 4, 1 as the answer. 3 is the here and 1 is the here. So let's run this solution. Yes, the both test cases are passed. So let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it accepted. This is a brute force approach, not the optimized version. But I reach the only by understanding the definition. I just come here by means connect the dots here. What is the h here? What is the citation here? What means what are the main possible thinking means check the example, and that's how I reach only by the understanding the definition. If you cannot speak your logic like this while coding, means you do not understand the problem yet. I write the code here just by the connecting the dots here, means whether for every h I have to check this, for h is equal to 2 I have to check this, and I just remember these things, and every time I have to update the count or means for maximum h. So the code works for the test cases, but uh, this is not the optimal solution. This for the means here I have this n value is 5000. This is a smaller number. The citation of I is again 100. But for the larger number, this must be this give the TLE, because this is brute for not the optimize. So in this video, my goal was not the optimization. My goal was to show how to read the problem, how to understand the problem, how to understand the definition, how to reach the brute force on your own. Because in interviews, understanding the problem, explaining your thinking also carries a mark. And next time you open a LeetCode problem, read slowly, identify what you are trying, identify what you are counting, identify the condition, write brute force first. If you are stuck, ask AI for hints, see the solution on YouTube. I am not saying see my solution or my PPT, anyone. If this video help you understand how to think, not just how to code, like, subscribe and comment the problem you are stuck on, and subscribe to JDCodebase. I see you in the next video.